How to view who has blocked me on Twitter? Wanna know it? Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can view who has blocked you on Twitter. Here on Twitter, you don't have the particular option to know who has blocked you. There is no any option, there is no any particular place where you can go and see if you have been blocked on Twitter by someone or some user. Now, due to the privacy reasons, you won't be able to see so, and there is no any options. But what you can do is, if you're trying to visit into your profile username, if you know the person's profile username, and if you try to search in for that profile username here, open the Twitter app and head into the search bar and search in for the particular profile username. And if the user pops up here, then it means that they haven't blocked you. But if they haven't, if the profile doesn't show up, then it might mean that they have simply blocked you. However, it might be that they have deleted your account too. So what you want to do is create a dummy account or fake account, log into that account or log into the second account, and then search in for the username. And if it still doesn't show up, then it might mean that they have deleted their account or their account might have been blocked. But if it shows up on the fake ID or the second ID but it doesn't show up on your main account, then it might just be that they have blocked you, and it is that they have blocked you. So this way you can view who has blocked you on Twitter. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.